Emilie Cady, a guiding light in the New Thought movement. Harriet Emilie Cady, better known as Emilie Cady, was a prolific writer and one of the influential figures in the New Thought movement. Through her works like Lessons in Truth, she provided spiritual guidance and self-healing techniques that continue to inspire many today. Early life and medical background. Born in 1848, Emilie Cady was a woman ahead of her time. She was one of the few female physicians in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, bringing her unique perspective as a homeopathic doctor. Her medical background influenced her spiritual writings, focusing on the connection between mind, body, and spirit. Involvement in the New Thought movement. Cady's work within the New Thought movement was groundbreaking. The New Thought movement philosophy emphasizes spiritual metaphysical beliefs, positive thinking, and the law of attraction. Her best-known work, Lessons in Truth, became one of the standard texts for the Unity Church and continues to be a touchstone for those seeking spiritual growth. Lessons in Truth, a masterpiece. Lessons in Truth is a series of 12 lessons that break down the principles of metaphysical Christianity. This spiritual self-help book has become essential for anyone exploring personal development, spiritual growth, or healing. The enduring relevance of Lessons in Truth showcases the timeless nature of Cady's insights and teachings. Influence and legacy. Emilie Cady's writings have transcended generations, inspiring many contemporary spiritual authors and self-help gurus. Her work continues to be a fundamental part of Unity Church teachings, reflecting the essence of the New Thought movement. Her emphasis on inner peace, self-realization, and personal empowerment remains relevant in today's fast-paced world. Key takeaways from Emilie Cady's work. Mind-body connection. As a homeopathic physician, Cady's writings often center on the interconnectedness of mental and physical well-being. Empowerment through spiritual understanding. Cady believed that understanding spiritual laws could lead to a fulfilling and prosperous life. Timeless wisdom. Her teachings resonate with readers across the globe, even decades after her passing. Conclusion. A lasting legacy in spiritual teachings. Emilie Cady's contributions to the New Thought movement have made her an iconic figure in inspiring spiritual and metaphysical teachings. From her early life as a female physician to her timeless writings like Lessons in Truth, her impact on self-help and spiritual growth is unparalleled. Whether you are a spiritual seeker or a curious reader, delving into Cady's works may offer profound insights into healing, empowerment, and personal development. Her teachings continue to be a beacon of light for those on a journey towards self-realization. Emilie Cady's 4 Denials and 4 Affirmations. Cady devised a foundational spiritual practice built upon 4 denials and 4 affirmations. This practice is rooted in the concept of affirming truth and denying falsehood, aiming to transform one's thoughts and beliefs to align with spiritual truths. The denials serve to eradicate limiting and negative beliefs about oneself and the world, such as the illusion of evil, the belief in sickness, and the power of adverse conditions. Contrarily, the affirmations reinforce the presence of God within every person, the power of good, and the omnipresence of substance. Together, these 8 principles form a guiding compass for spiritual growth and personal transformation. Denials. First, there is no evil. This denial fundamentally rejects the idea that evil is a genuine, autonomous force. It emphasizes that if God is all-present and all-good, then evil must be an illusion or a distortion of this inherent goodness. By acknowledging this, people can reframe their understanding of adversity, seeing it as a temporary challenge to overcome rather than a permanent malevolent force. As Cady says in Incomplete Works, apparent evils are not entities or things of themselves. They are simply the apparent absence of the good, just as darkness is an absence of light. But God or good is omnipresent, so the apparent absence of good, evil, is unreal. It is only an appearance of evil. Second, there is no absence of life, substance, or intelligence anywhere. This denial challenges the belief in any energy that is separate from or in opposition to the omnipotence of God. It encourages people to relinquish feelings of powerlessness or vulnerability as they come to recognize that their connection to God provides access to divine strength and authority, enabling them to overcome challenges with confidence and resilience. By using this denial, you will soon break your bondage to matter and material conditions. You will know that you are free. Pain, sickness, poverty, old age, and death cannot master me, for they are not real. By denying the reality of sickness, this statement prompts individuals to shift their perspective from physical ailments to the spiritual truth of their inherent well-being. It reminds them that the true essence is divine and unaffected by illness, encouraging a mindset that facilitates healing and wholeness by aligning with the omnipresent life, wisdom, and power of God. Fourth, there is nothing in all the universe for me to fear, for greater is He that is within me than he that is in the world. This denial is a powerful assertion of spiritual identity over material or worldly concerns. It underscores that fear and hurt are not intrinsic to one's spiritual nature, but are instead external phenomena that can be transcended through faith and understanding. By affirming that God cannot be harmed or afraid, people are encouraged to embrace their spiritual resilience and inner peace. Affirmations. God is life, love, intelligence, substance, omnipotence, omniscience, omnipresence. I am a child or manifestation of God, and every moment His life, love, wisdom, power flow into and through me. I am one with God, and I am governed by His law. I am spirit, perfect, holy, harmonious. I manifest my real self through this body now. God works in me to will and to do whatever He wishes me to do, and He cannot fail. Repeat these 4 denials and 4 affirmations daily and whenever needed. Commit them to memory. There is no evil, there is no absence of life, substance, or intelligence anywhere. Pain, sickness, poverty, old age, and death cannot master me, for they are not real. There is nothing in all the universe for me to fear, for greater is He that is within me than he that is in the world. God is life, love, intelligence, substance, omnipotence, omniscience, omnipresence. I am a child or manifestation of God, and every moment His life, love, wisdom, power flow into and through me. I am one with God and am governed by His law. I am spirit, perfect, holy, harmonious. I manifest my real self through this body now. There is nothing in all the universe for me to fear, for greater is He that is within me than he that is in the world. These affirmations and denials appear to be aimed at helping people align their thoughts and beliefs with spiritual truths, overcoming negative or limiting beliefs, and embrace a deeper connection with God and their own spiritual nature. They can serve as guiding principles for personal transformation and spiritual growth. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content to spark your growth mindset.